Usually when it rains, people put up their camera and they think there's nothing to photograph. But I want to show you something that I like to see when it rains, because there's so much more to capture. And one of the things is actually the water beads on leaves. So here are some of my banana trees I have growing in the backyard. And there's so much you could do with these shots. The whole idea is focusing on the water bead itself and the leaf. So you're really dependent on focus. And because you're doing a macro shot here, this is as wide as I can get. I can actually zoom in a bit more. Just remember, it's going to get a bit pixelated if you do that. Refocus. Take my shot. And the thing is, you have so many different aspects that you can look at. Getting low, shooting down the spine, changing your orientation. It's just a lot of different things that you can actually do. So next time it rains, don't put your phone up. Actually take it out. Take a look at the water beads that you're going to find on different types of leaves that you may have in your yard. As you see, it's all different. Even over here on my pineapple tree that I'm growing. There you go. Now the one problem is that it's just the sun is setting, so it's kind of difficult to see, and the camera's having a hard time focusing in this low light. But beyond that, there are a lot of things to actually capture. And the best way I find is to put the light between you and your subject. You get this golden color, well, not golden, but this bright color, or light shining through. Each water bead, and I'm just taking shots as I'm talking, trying to refocus each time. So next time it rains, don't put your phone up, take a look at the leaves.